Hi folks, imagine a world where the most powerful system from supercomputer to stock exchange run on operating system Linux. And when it comes to enterprise level Linux, one name stand out, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, welcome to the RHEL course where we will take all uh, you from the basic to advanced concept, helping you master one of the most powerful and widely used Linux distribution in the world. Whether you are an absolute beginner or an IT professional looking to enhance your skill, this course is designed to give you hands-on knowledge and real-world application of RHEL. So let's get started and unlock the power of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. If you are excited to learn RHEL and want to stay ahead the Linux world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that don't miss any updates. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thought or any questions you have. Your support help us create more valuable content for you. Now let's dive into the world of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So first of all, we will start from the introduction of Linux and its distribution and what is the use in our everyday life. Okay, so I have created a PowerPoint slides. There are 7, 8 slides. In there, I will try to cover up the introduction part. After that, we will start the course from this lesson of RHEL. Okay, so first of all, what is Linux? So Linux is a open source operating system, open source kernel, meaning it forms the core of the system, managing hardware and software. Kernel is an operating system. You can say this is an operating system which is help to talk with your heart. It is a mediator between your hardware and the operating system. Okay. What is open source? Open source, it means it's a free to use, modify, and distribute, making it accessible for everyone. Importance of the Linux is that Linux is used in smartphones, web servers, supercomputers, and countless other applications. What is the history of Linux? History of Linux is that one of the engineer, um, his name was Linus Torvald. He has introduced the first Linux kernel in 1991. In later 1990s, the Linux community grew rapidly, with developers contributing to its growth. In 2000, Linux became popular for server and web hosting, powering much of the internet. In today's market, Linux is an integral part of modern computing, used in countless devices and platforms. Okay, so Linux was created by Linus Torvald. Okay, and what is the difference between Linux and Unix? So Linux is an open source customizable free used in server, desktop and mobile devices. Unix is a proprietary tool, proprietary operating system. It is commercial, used in server and specialized environment. These are the distributions of Linux. There are multiple thousands of Linux distributions, but I have mentioned here few important distributions which are usually available in the market and which are using on enterprise level. First is Red Hat Linux, which we will Red Hat Linux. I have created this course on the Red Hat only. So I have mentioned here some Linux distributions. First is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a very user-friendly operating system. It is friendly for beginners also. Next is Debian. It is a stable, reliable, and we can use in enterprise environment. Fedora is a cutting edge, known for innovation and early adoption of new technologies. Arch Linux is advanced user and this is designed for DIY programs. And Kali Linux is designed for security purpose. Like we can do it from do it. We can do penetration testing, security related things, and we can do the auditing also. We can do the ethical hacking from this distribution. So Kali Linux is widely used for security purpose. Okay. Uh, what are the uses of Linux in our everyday uh, every here we are using a smartphone. Today's everybody is having a smartphone. We are using Android smartphone. Android is created on the Linux platform only. It is having Linux kernel. Uh, Linux usage in web server deployment. 90% entire the world, 90% people are using Linux as a web server because this is too much secure other than other than operating systems. IoT, Internet and Things, it is for industrial automation and supercomputer. It is most of the world's supercomputer use Linux for high performance and computing tasks. What are the interesting facts for Linux about Linux? Space missions. Most of the space missions are missions organization are using Linux operating system in their environment. Supercomputers are also worked on Linux. Financial system like banking or any NBFC securities market, they most of the their servers are hosted on the Linux platform. Tech brands companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook, these are also hosted on Linux platform. Conclusion and final thought, Linux is powerful, versatile, and open source operating system with a bright future. It's used to countless devices and applications. Its community support make it accessible for everyone. Try a Linux distribution today and experience the freedom of flexibility it offers. Okay, so this is the introduction of Linux. After that, we will uh, start our course from the installation of Red Hat Linux 8.10. Okay, so uh, uh, so uh, we will start uh, the installation in our next video. Please watch this and thank you for watching this introduction part. And I'm requesting you to please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Share this video, like also. Thank you.